Para kini Nanay Elvira na kanu ni ading Merla Corpus Belmoro iti Saudi Arabia. Dahil mo iti requested piece na may isang sonata po nga nagabukin ni Kenny Rogers entitled Through the Years. Kat para kada tayo matapo na sinumanti kataktakunay na inayo iti biag. Kat agnanayin ko maapo iti lasbang dahil nga relasyon through the years nga kung kunada.
When you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you, I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you.
I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you through the years.
Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Baby, spend the moment in the past when I'm gone. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart, in your life? Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do, when love is new, just for a moment to be close to you, pretend that I'm still holding you. And even when I'm far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we both chase our fantasies, love will bring you back to me.
All over the world.
When I'm gone, I'll be thinking about you constantly, 'cause you're locked inside my memory from now on. And I know that we said we needed a time apart, but your love keeps pulling in my heart, pulling strong. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart, in your life? Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do, when love is new, just for a moment to be close to you, pretend that I'm still holding you. And even when I'm far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we both chase our fantasies, love will bring you back to me.
All over the world.
Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do, when love is new, just for a moment to be close to you, pretend that I'm still holding you. And even when I'm far away, the dreams will stay. And someday, after we both chase our fantasy, love will bring you back to me.
Ano pwedeng sumura nung mga kanta mo? Once again, Happy New Year kada kayo, Apo.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends and you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never richer, we were out to make the steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife and you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. So I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story God knows I was running about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My womb were children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still not seeking glory. With some I had to leave behind, my brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote our letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. I will think the world is cold. I will have a lot of children who can warm me. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. I will think the world is cold. I will have a lot of children who can warm me. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends and you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
Okay, karoba ka. At natanon manan, tintay pa nagsisina. Kasabi ko maapot o reno pagpatitlaang napaisam. Kaya napabalsida kayo. Kang haro, dahil dimanong yung June. Nga pata yung nangisit tisiko na. Kaya hindi mo tiganakan yung agsaukan ka balaw.
Damang pastor.
Ayan. Pa na? Ano?
Damang pastor.
Kakunami abo. Agis iso ka. Tapno pumuta kakat. At da kami tumanan apo next week. Iti kasing balang oras. Alas 2 Isagana alas.
Suresh.
Iti malam. Dito lang apo 97.7.
Sweet Radio, Santiago City.
Pumakada kami. Katitit pinapo. Di mauding asunata mi. Kat once again, Happy New Year apo katak tayo amin. Kat may the Lord bless and keep every one of us. Ayan. Kat iti mauding asunata ta apo. Kat apo kung kuna mo kanya mo na. Apo ka na kan. Kat may isa nga makapudno nga sunata para katatay amin. Kat sabi ko mata, adaan tayo, ito mo kung kunang New Year's resolution ito abortawan. Ta amin tayo, ore man kasano kinasingpag kung kina dagas mo dito rabaw ti daga, kat agsubli tayo iti tapok. Tapok. Iso nga, maminsan tayo lang nga dumalan. Iti dalan nga tayo ito yung dalan. Nga kuna na minsan lamang ako daraan sa daigdig na ito. Kaya't anuman ang mabuti kong, maaari kong gawin ay gagawin ko na ngayon. Apo, mga kasabaak sa amot doon. Sa balimot din nagtulungan. Anyway, kung amirisin nyo karuba iti linaon kan linabag dati nga Ingles nga sunata nga nagapu iti Kansas. Kat naimimas siya biag. No iti dalan mo kat diretsyo. Once again, God bless everyone.
I close my eyes only for a moment, and the moment's gone. All my dreams pass before my eyes of curiosity. Dust in the wind, all they are is dust in the wind. Same old song, just a drop of water in an endless sea. All we do slips away. Though your money won't another minute by, dust in the wind. All we are is dust in the wind.
Everything is dust in the wind.
Dust in the
All we are is dust in the wind.
Everything is dust in the wind.
Goodbye and God bless everyone. This has been your friend June in Denmark. Saying goodbye for now. And see you next week. Same time, same place, same songs. At dati baru kanta next week.
Po?
Ito lang nga po, 97.7 Sweet Radio.
97.7
Sweet!